Hello everyone, I'm SUGANDI and I've done my engineering from Vrindavan College of Engineering in the year 2022 with an aggregate percentage of 75 from Electronics and Communication. I have joined JSpiders on the month of August and I got recently placed for the company called as Relay Private Limited for a package of 3.5 to 4 LPA. I like to thank each and every one who has made a contribution to this, and there are like so many names, so many people, efforts who has made this day possible. So it's very unfair if I won't mention their names today. I would like to thank Anupama ma'am for Java, teaching us Java, Akshay sir for grooming classes and programming classes, Salman sir, Sridhar sir for teaching us HTML, CSS, JavaScripts. Hebbal Branch is the most lenient branch which I can say, where you get a platform to boost your career, and here they provide you the grooming classes, presentation classes where you can improve your communications, and the faculties, work environment, the teaching processes, everything is so nice, and the faculties are very friendly here. We can ask any doubts anytime, anywhere. They never tell you that they're busy or they're not clear that out. They will always help you out. They will try to take the best out of you. And I would like to suggest each and everyone who is watching this video, this is the best place where you can get a job, and also if you are planning to be a web developer in the future, this is the right place. You can come here, grab the opportunities, attend the lectures, and then join to any companies. Thank you.